will present to you the demo teaching based on my session plan with a qualification of Event Service Management NC3. Okay, good day everyone. Our discussion for today is about planning and developing event proposal or bid. Learning objectives. Identify the overall context, scope, and objectives of an event. Second bullet, develop specific event objectives with colleagues or clients. Prepare an event proposal, bid, including program plan, resources, budget, and timeline. Present proposal and incorporate feedback actively. Okay. Introductions, interpreting events, briefs. An event brief provides foundation for planning and decision making. It outlines clients' expectation, purpose, requirements, and constraints. Accurate interpretation ensures the event aligns with organizational goals and audience needs. Understanding the brief, it is the first step in developing strong proposal or bid. Okay? When we say introduction to interpreting events briefs, an events brief is starting point of effective event planning. It summarizes the client's goal, expectation, requirements, and limitation. By accurately interpreting the brief's, planners ensure that the events align with the organization's objectives and meet the needs of its audience. Understanding the briefs is essential before creating proposal or bid, as it guides all planning decisions. Okay, we move to the next one. Okay, we come now to identifying the overall context of the event. Okay. Key elements to review. One is purpose and intent of the event theme and message, target audience, client organizational goals, event type, for example, corporate, social, cultural, academic, community. Okay, why context matters. Sets the tone and direction of the event, guides the decision making for program design and logistics. When we say identifying the overall context of the event, it means understanding the pictures behind what event is being held, what aims to achieve. This involves reviewing key elements as the purpose, theme, intended message, target, audience, clients, organizational goals. Okay, we come now to the next one. Determining the scope of the event. Okay. Scope includes venue, requirements, and capacity, event duration and program length, expected number of participants, technical needs, lighting and sound staging, staffing requirements, legal, safety, and compliance and consideration. And the outcome is a clear understanding of what included and not included in the event. When we say determining the scope, it means defining all the essential details needed to plan and execute events successfully. This includes identifying the venue requirements and capacity, setting and the event duration and program flow, estimating the number of participants, and listening and technical such as lighting, sound, and staging. It also figures out the staffing requirements, ensure or are legal. Okay, we come now to the next one. Okay, next one is identifying event objectives. So, event objectives defines what event should achieve. For example, build brand visibility, celebrate achievement, raise funds, and launch a product, increase community engagement. Okay, objective must align with client expectation, be realistic within available resources. Okay, the common examples of identifying event objectives. Okay, I already said the examples na pala, so we come now to the next one. Okay, the next one is developing specific objectives using consultation. Developing specific objectives using consultation. Okay. Collaborate with clients, partners, and team members. Use consultation meeting to survey or planning sessions. Ensure objectives are smart. Okay. Okay, then, you know that SMART has a meaning. Okay, number one is S, specific, M, measurable, A, achievable, R, relevant, and the last one is time bound. Okay. When we say developing specific objectives using consultation, creating specific objectives become more accurate and effective when stakeholders are directly involved by collaborating with clients, partners, and team members. Through the consultation meetings, surveys, planning sessions, I gain diverse insight and clarify the expectation. Okay, we come now to the next one. Is the preparing event proposal, bid or overview. Okay, a professional event proposal includes number one is executive summary, event overview, program plan, resource requirements, budget, timeline and risk management plan, conclusion or call to actions. Okay, these are the example of preparing the event proposal. Okay, we come now to the next one. We come now to developing the program plan. Okay. Components of the program plan. Okay. These are the list. Okay. Number one, list of activities, opening sessions, performance, and workshops. Number two, time schedule and transmissions. Number three, roles and responsibilities. Number four, flow of the event from the start to finish. Okay, yung purpose po nito is to ensure smooth execution and clarify for all the stakeholders. So when we say developing program plan involves organizational all parts of the event training so everything runs smoothly, logically. It outlines what will happen, when it will happen, and who will manage each part. Okay, we come now to the next one. Okay. Resources requirements. Identify and estimate. Right. Human resources, staff, volunteers, and supplies. Right. And say physical resources, venue, equipment, decoration, and materials. Okay, and digital resources, EDUC systems, software, online tools, and the last one is external suppliers, caterer, security, performer, and transport. Okay, the human resources are the staff, volunteers, and supply who contribute as skills or labor. Physical resources, venue, event materials, and decorations. And the digital resources are audiovisual system, software, and online tools. And the last one is external suppliers, caterer, security, performance, and the transportation services. The next one, we come now to the preparing the budget. Okay, the budget should include venue and equipment cost, catering and F&B. Number 3 is decoration and production. Number 4, talent or speakers fee, marketing and the promotions, transportation and logistics, contingency fund, 10 to 20%, and tip. Always justify expenses with the cost estimates or quotations. Okay. When you say preparing the budget, yung meaning po nito is creating budget means planning all costs for the event to ensure you stay within your financial limits. Yung included po dito, included expenses po is for the, yung sa venue is rental fees. And so catering naman is food, drink services, and yung sa deco is stage setup, lighting and trucks. Yung sa talent and speakers, transportation and logistics, travel, delivery, accommodations, and sa contingency fund is extra for unexpected cost. We come now to the next one. Creating the timeline. Creating the timeline included pre-event preparation, suppliers, deadlines, marketing, rollout schedules, rehearsals, event link flow, post-event evaluation schedule, tools to use Gantt chart, calendar, timeline, project management, and software. For example, is Trello, Asana, and etc. So these are the included in the creating the timeline. So we come now to the presenting the proposal. Effective presentation techniques. Use clear and visual slides layouts. Summarize key information first. Includes charts, mood board, floor plans, and timelines. Highlights event benefits and unique features. Maintain the confidence and professionalism. Okay. When we say presenting the proposal, means sharing your plan clearly and convincingly. Use simple visual slide summarize key points. Include charts, floor plans, and mood boards. Emphasize the event's benefits and unique features. Deliver confidently, professionally, and to make strong impressions. Okay. We come now to the incorporating feedback. Okay. Feedback handling strategies. 1. Listen actively and avoid interrupting. 2. Ask clarification to understand clients' needs. 3. Documents all feedback. Revise proposal sections. For example, is budget, program design, and etc. Number 5 is provide a new draft within a highlight, change, or summary notes. Yung goal ko natin dito is to deliver a proposal aligned with the client's vision and expectations. Okay, that's all everyone. Thank you po. And before we end our discussion, I will give it to you to I will give it to you to see if you are listening properly.